So good morning, everyone. Welcome to V's DG Expo and Unique Online Exhibition. So I would like to welcome each of you. We have attendees from Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Pune, and various other locations as well. Thank you so much, each of you, for joining in today. Since many of you joined in for the first time, again, I need to tell you about We Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. We are 2 years old young organization with 6,000 plus women entrepreneurs in cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Nagpur, Pune, Bangalore, Assam, and Singapore as well. We promote entrepreneurs through WhatsApp and Facebook groups. We also do a lot of awareness programs, motivational programs with our members itself, celebrities, TEDx speakers, expert speakers from the corporate. We launched We Online e-commerce platform where you can enlist your products and sell them. At the end of this show, I will also show you how to go through that. You can enlist your services and training programs as well there. We also have a group for men in business called E4BM, Enclave for Businessmen. So, Mr. Chaudhary, you can be a part of that as well. Uh, Before we start, I would like to know from you attendees, what do you feel? I mean, how will this take place? Can some of you share your ideas about it? I'm sure you all must have a lot of questions in your mind. You can unmute one of the two people. You can unmute and talk about what you want. What exactly you think about this?
Can you repeat your question?
The question is, what is in your mind? How this will take place? This is something new that we are doing it today.
So this is a great idea. In exhibitions, we wait for people to come to our stall and then we explain our products or what we are doing. So in this case, let's suppose if 40 people have come on this platform. So we can explain and very clearly show everybody, how our products work and how we are working. So I think this is a great idea, even much, much better than the exhibitions which we hold since morning to evening. We stand there, though maybe we get some sale immediately. But at the same time, I think this is going to stay in people's mind for a longer time. And it is very easy and clear to show and display the products, how they work. I think this is going to be an excellent thing, and we will be interacting with people directly, where 40 people are listening to me directly. So that is a very, very big platform. So it's a very good idea.
Thanks, Pradila. So let's start. I'm extremely excited to see the exclusive product. So some of the not ground rules, online rules. Okay. Request you all to kindly mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Exhibitors will be given 5 to 7 minutes, and you will show your products and talk about them. Anybody, please mute yourself. Okay. Attendees, I request you to kindly take your pen and paper so that you don't forget the name of the exhibitor and product while they show them, because at the end I will take up queries from you. You all will also need to fill up feedback forms, which I will post on the chat box at the end. Exhibitors need to write your names and contact details on chat box after your presentation. So we start with Vaishali Parekh from Kolkata. She is also our V head Kolkata. Vaishali, over to you.
Thanks, Chaitali. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Myself,
morning.
Vaishali Parekh, V Kolkata head. First of all, before proceeding to display of my products, I would like to thank Chaitali for this innovative idea. Whoa, standard exhibitions, standing in the stalls and displaying everything every day, going back, packing up, unpacking is now gone. Now the new normal is online exhibitions through your own home. That's definitely a good idea. Well, myself, a co-owner of Viva Creatives, we deal into quilt items, शगुन आइटम्स, फेस्टिव आइटम्स, दिवाली, राखी, whatever, जो भी आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट है, आई एम देयर फॉर, वी आर देयर फॉर यू. In spite of the pandemic, we have served so many of our customers. Since last 10 years, we have been satisfying our customers for home decor, for shagun products, for return gifts, anything, whatever you think creative, think about Viva Creative. Well, to start with my display, In spite of the pandemic, let's not dampen our spirits and have lots of colorful items. We have Bandhan vase to decor your home. Bandhan vase, we have got around more than 200 varieties, but definitely I couldn't display all of them. So we have just given 2 to 3 only. We have lots of latkans. It can be used as latkans on your homes. It can be used as bangles. It can be used as return gifts in your, we have got multi-purpose use for these latkans. We have got multi-colors also in it, around more than 10 colors. We have lots of door decor items. You can see the hangings over here. We can use it as Shubh Labh. You can use it as just a single piece at your door as well as at your inside your homes. Hope you can see the colors. We have more varieties of it. We have lots of colors also. We can customize according to your budget as well as your color combination, requirement of your color combination. We have more than 200 varieties of Shubh Labh, small, big, colorful, white, anything, whatever is your requirement. It's the range starts from around 20 rupees to around 200 rupees per pair. It can be used for gifting your near and dear ones, for your corporate giftings, as well as to decorate your own homes. Hope you are liking my collection. All these are handmade by my own self. There are people who keep on telling that, yes, we are manufacturing, but they do not. They do trading. You can see. We have lots and lots of items. Just look at this very cute diya stand, diya hanging. We have gifting purpose for we have boxes for gifting purposes for small things like rings, small bangles, earrings, etc. We have rangoli items also. We have more than around 500 varieties of diyas, metal, flowers, pom-poms, plastic flowers, paper flowers, whatever you can imagine. We can put it into reality. Lots of colors are available. Lots of varieties available. We even have wreaths like this for Christmas. Lots of more varieties are available. We have special bamboo diya holders. We can make for more than around 200 combinations according to your own needs. Rakhis for this Rakhi season. Most of my stock is definitely over by now. Whatever I had, a few of them I have displayed. Whoever wants to buy Rakhis and all those, they can definitely WhatsApp me for details, for more details. We have Roli Chawal, varieties of Roli Chawal. You can see this very cute coconut Roli Chawal. It's made of wood. We have shells, Roli Chawal. We have kids Rakhis on lots of varieties, lots of colors. Gents Rakhi starting the range at range of around 10 rupees to around 100 rupees. We have envelopes. We have all rasam in related envelopes like Ghodi and all, and different varieties of envelopes, baby envelopes. More than around hundreds of designs can be made. It can be again customized according to your need and your budget.
So thank you, Vaishali. Awesome products that you have. Can
Thank
you
you
please
so
come
much.
on screen? I would like to take your picture as well.
Yeah, we also have platters, different varieties of platters, and gaddi boxes, and lots of other more varieties. Did you change the
Super products, very nice.
We have boxes also, MDF laser cut boxes for your gifting purposes. Lots of more varieties can be made colorful as well as decorated in much more better manner. So for all your decorative needs, for all your gifting needs, you can always contact Viva Creatives. I'll put on the number.
Very nicely decorated as well today, Vaishali. Can you please come on screen?
Thank you so much, Dee.